Hello my friends, quick video here because I need your help. I've only resined 2 pieces ever, and I'm showing both of them to you. I did a video on this one, but it had problems. This was the first one I did, and it looked okay at a glance, but it dried with these weird areas. Let me see if I let the window show you. Yeah, you see like here it's particularly bad. So I'm not sure what that was about, but it's not good. So, and then I set something on it and it cracked, so it's really bad, but that's too bad. But this was just my first try experimental piece. On my second one, I decided to jump right in and do an embellishment, which was kind of nerve-wracking, but I really wanted this piece to have that resin look. And overall, it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. I don't have those lines, but I do have an issue with puckering along the edges. And I'm thinking, let me see if I can, there, I think you can clearly see that there. And I'm thinking that's either I didn't use a sufficient amount or I didn't monitor the dripping all around well enough, although I thought I did. And some areas where there are no drips, it's not puckered. So I'm thinking I didn't use enough. The other issue is there are tiny little lines that you have to search for. I don't know that they'll even show up on camera here, but they look like scratches. They're not the same lines as on that other piece, but they look like a scratch. And I'm wondering, maybe I had something on my glove as I spread the resin out. I'm wondering if any of you have ever had that. I don't think I can even pick it up. It's so minor, and so I'm not worried about it. And I don't have time to add a second coat to this because this is going in a show in a few days. So anyway, if any of you have tips and tricks, I would be happy to hear them if you've had these issues or if you know why that happened. I used Gencrafts epoxy resin, and maybe I should try another brand. But they were kind enough to send it to me, and overall it looks pretty good, but I do have these little issues. So if you can help me, I'd appreciate it. See you next time.